Have you ever asked yourself, what if I had chosen differently? What if you had said yes instead of no? Started something instead of waiting? Or walked away when you knew you should? Today's story is about a man who followed the safe road, until one day he got the chance to walk the one he left behind. If you're learning English at A2 to B2 level, this podcast is for you. A powerful story told in slow, clear English, so you can improve your listening, grow your vocabulary, and feed your soul. Don't forget to subscribe. Sometimes one small choice can change everything. Leo was always practical. At 22, he was offered 2 jobs. One in a big company, stable, secure, safe. One in a small art studio, exciting, but risky. He took the safe job. Years passed. He moved up. Got a house, a car, but something inside stayed quiet. He never painted again. At 35, Leo received a letter. It was from the art studio, the one he said no to. They were closing down, but wanted to invite all past applicants for one last exhibit. Leo felt something stir in his chest. The road he never took was calling. He traveled back to the small town. Everything looked the same, yet different. He entered the studio, smelled the old paints, touched the canvas. One of the artists recognized him. "Didn't you almost join us once?" Leo smiled sadly. "Almost." The artist gave him a brush. "Paint something for yourself." Leo sat down, nervous, silent. Then, stroke by stroke, he painted, not perfectly, not professionally, but honestly. For the first time in 13 years, he remembered who he was. Leo didn't quit his job. He didn't move towns, but he started painting again. Every Saturday, at first just for himself, then for others. Soon his small paintings became gifts, stories, even sales. He didn't change the world, but he changed his world. There will always be a road you didn't take, a dream you paused, a version of you that got quiet, but it's never too late to start walking again, even if it's slow, even if it's small. Sometimes the thing we thought we left behind is just waiting patiently for us to return. 1. Have you ever made a big life decision that you sometimes question? What was it? Feel free to share in the comments. Your story may inspire others. 2. What is something you used to love doing, but stopped? Would you like to try again? 3. Do you believe it's ever too late to follow an old dream? Why or why not? Thanks for listening to The Road You Never Took. Maybe you can't go back in time, but you can always begin again. Now, with who you are today. Don't forget to subscribe for more English stories that help your heart grow with your fluency. See you in the next episode.